Today guys, I share with you 3 ways I use my tripod aside its conventional purpose. And these are 3 hacks that help me on professional shoots. So let's go. Hello guys, welcome to the first vlog of 2020. Can you believe it? So today I'm gonna share with you 3 hacks I use my tripod. First of all, if it's the first time you tune into my channel, my name is Mamora and I do travel vlogs, I do filming vlogs, and also I share my adventures around the world. So consider to subscribe to the channel. Okay, how do I use the tripod? Let's get into the video. Hack number 1, I use the tripod as a fly cam. Basically, I open its legs, I put the tripod upside down and the camera as well, so you will have to flip your footage vertically in post-production, and I use it as a fly cam, literally. So I use it for tracking shots, dolly shots, and also reveal shots. I use the tripod in this case as a pendulum, so don't forget to use the whole body to achieve the movement as well. Don't just think about the tripod as an external tool, but move together with the tripod. For example, in this shot, I'm trying to do a reveal shot. Apart from moving the tripod, I'm moving my body as well towards the side. So everything works together as a whole. The same principle is applied in this shot when I'm trying to achieve a tracking shot, like following my father, for example. I try to use my body together with the tripod, so I try to walk properly and a bit slower and absorb the shocks from the ground. So everything again works together, don't forget that. Hack number 2, I use the tripod in this case more or less as a gimbal. So what I do is I stick out one of the legs and I stick it onto my hip. So in this case, the tripod will be very sturdy and I can actually walk with it, literally like a stabilizer, like a gimbal stabilizer. I can follow people, I can again do tracking shots and so on. When I stick the tripod into my hip, that actually helps to spread the weight of the camera and the tripod into my legs and not to my lower back, which is actually a problem I face every time I'm on a shoot. So when I finish shooting and I don't use this method, my lower back really aches. But if I stick the tripod into my hips, that again distributes the weight into the legs, which have huge muscles, and so it really helps in that case to relieve the pain in the back. Hack number 3, similar to hack number 2, I use the tripod as a stabilizer, as a gimbal, but this time for like in a selfie mode if you want, especially when I'm vlogging. It really helps to keep the camera at the same distance in front of you. In particular, if you have cameras with no autofocus, like in this case, I'm using the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. So here we are guys in vlogging mode. This method helps me to keep the camera at the same distance even without using the autofocus. So I can just focus on my face at the beginning. I'm actually using an f-stop at 1.8, so pretty large aperture. And as you can see, I'm still in focus and I don't have to think about the distance between the camera and my face because I'm sure the tripod will do its job. This is definitely a good way to use your tripod if you're on your own, if you want to do some vlogging, and it will help to keep the camera much steadier than handheld shots. Right guys, thank you for tuning in. Those were 3 hacks I use my tripod on professional shoots. It really helps and I hope it helps you in a way. If it does, please consider to subscribe again. I will see you in the next vlog. Until then, God bless you. See you soon.